Welcome back to the garage. Today I'm going to be working on this GT bottom bracket that I picked up a while ago. I found this at a second-hand bike shop and I got it real cheap because one of the bearings is seized. So that one moves, this one really doesn't. So I went ahead and I ordered a new bearing, so I'm just gonna try and press out the old one and put on the new one. And I've never done this before, so this should be interesting. Okay, that one little tap just kind of destroyed this bearing. So hopefully I can get this thing apart. There we go. Well, there's the inside of the bearing. I'll try and tap off that inner ring. I don't know if you can see that, but here's this little edge. Here's where it is, and it's moved a couple of millimeters, it looks like. So we'll keep at it. It is moving a little bit. Okay, with that last whack, I managed to get that off the spindle. I did kind of gouge up the spindle a little bit, but now I need to figure out how I'm getting the new bearing on there. Okay, so I grabbed a socket and I have the crank bolt and some spacers here, and I'm just going to try and press this on by twisting like so, and then in order to hold the other end, I just grabbed an old crank. So hopefully this works. Okay, I got it back together, and I don't know if you can see that. It's now turning freely from both bearings. So that worked.